I'm just here in the middle of nowhere. Just come down this fucking pretty treacherous trail with the big new Kluger. I just bought this thing start of the week. It's now Saturday. So I've had this thing for a week. This thing's a beast, I'm telling you. Toyota Kluger V6 all-wheel drive. It's pretty deadly. It's pretty clean. I picked it up for $7,200. Pretty good deal. He wanted 9. He didn't get it.
She wanted 4 each. She didn't get it. She got 5 for 2. $250 a pop. Let's look them up.
Shout out Gary V. Yeah, I just thought today I'd come out and fucking do a little bit of exploring. I think I've come out to this place once. Yeah, I have. This is the spot. Wow, this place looks pretty cool today. What the fuck is that? I think that's a toilet. It's like a bucket with a pool noodle around the rim for padding. Makes me feel like there's someone around. I don't like that. I found a cap. Someone must have lost it upstream and it's flown down. Alright, on to the next spot. I am actually loving this new car I bought. This might be the best $7,000 I've ever spent. No cap. That is intense. That is really, really strong. I can barely stand in that. It's a day for
it. You try but you can't hide it. Now what will be your move? Yeah, what you gonna do, babe? We've been playing games for too long, but never.
Jesus fuck. I'm gonna have a sunbake and try and even out my tan, because look at my arms compared to the rest of my body. It's nuts. I got the builder's tan. I'm gonna call up and order a battered fish wrap for lunch. Oh my god, and by the time I get there it'll be ready to pick up. That's the go.
You wanna feel that love thing. You try but you can't hide it. Now what will be your move? Yeah, what you gonna do, babe? We've been playing games for too long, but never win. Let's drop out, 'cause I know what you are.
Just here at the base of Mount Baldy. It's a big mountain here in Atherton where we live. There's a pretty cool lookout on the top. I think it was this corner coming up here. We went up here a while ago and we were speeding through here and we splashed some old ladies walking. time to go. Ugh. Well, that was beautiful. Except for that guy, fuck that guy. He was a cunt. Alright, we're going straight to the car wash. I love this car. This is the best thing I've ever bought. It's done a good job. Hope you enjoyed watching that one. I had a lot of fun filming it. It was a big vibe. That fish wrap was beautiful. See you in the next one. Peace.